Get ready to blast off these school holidays with our Blast Dance workshop. Excite their eager minds whilst providing a jam-packed and energetic day full of dance styles they know and love. Watch their eyes sparkle with delight as we engage their inner creativity and take them on a journey that will bring true joy and happiness to their step. With captivating dance genres and exciting bonus activities, your child's imagination will flourish and their confidence will burst. What's more is that at the end of the day, they will have the opportunity to hit the big stage and showcase their newfound confidence. Jazz, lyrical, hip-hop, contemporary, plus many more. Workshop inclusions are carefully planned programs designed to ignite each child's confidence, jam-packed and energetic day filled with all the dance styles they know and love, bonus activities and games that will excite their eager minds, end of workshop mini showcase giving each dancer the opportunity to hit the stage and showcase their hard work. Plus, as an extra special bonus, you will get free before and after school care from 9 to 9:30 a.m. and 3:30 to 4 p.m. There's extra activities and games that will leave them wanting more, and each child will get a special gift to take home at the end of the day. Limited spaces are available. Allow your child to keep up with their dancing, make new friends, and energize and excite them these school holidays. Visit our website or give us a call to book your child's spot now. We can't wait to see them there.